Hello everyone, my name is Mrs. Tackard. I will be your science teacher for the year of 2020 to 2021 for IPC or astronomy. I am looking forward to the school year and everything that it's going to be offering to you students and for myself in this learning process and learning curve. I am just going to show you really quickly my Google Classroom for a welcome back and what to expect. The first thing that you'll do when you log in to Google Classroom is you will log in with your student account information and it will pop up on your screen. When you have assignments that will be due, you'll notice that they pop up here and it says in classwork how you get to them. I will be posting by day, and what this will have on here is a Nearpod instruction that's going to be where you can physically access the Google Classroom and you will be able to have direct instruction with me. This will be posted every single day, and then asynchronous work will be where you will go on and log on and do your work independently from what you learned from the lesson. I just wanted to clear up some things so you could see what to expect. You are to log in at the same time every single day and make sure that you are on time to my class and logged in on Google Hangouts for the video session. Some videos will be posted for the aftermath of the lesson so that you can understand the lesson further, or if you need a tutorial lesson. I hope this helps. Have a great one, and I look forward to the school year.